Welcome to Grantham Caravans. I'm Sean Calica, part of the sales team here. Just want to give you a quick video walk around tour of the Swift Elegance 845 2022, so please sit down and enjoy. Elegance 845 2022, so obviously it's a 4-berth twin axle caravan, end bathroom, transverse island bed. So obviously just coming out, so I'm going to give you a nice view outside. It's on the Elegance range. You've got the new side decals. It's an onboard water tank. ATC trailer controls. Your carbon front locker. Your external gas point. External 230 volts. And obviously, being a twin axle caravan, it also has 2 Alco wheel locks that come as standard. So just moving to the rear, so obviously with the LED lights that come as standard, it also has the fixtures basically in place that if you do want to look at getting bike racks installed, you can basically look at those options as well. Moving on to the interior, so as we walk in, so just to the right hand side you've got obviously your cupboards where your TV sits, and just on the top unit there you've then got your 2 plug sockets and your TV sections there. Overhead cupboard storage, your Audi control panel, and obviously the Swift command, your fire angel, and also your Google alarm. And then obviously just with those on the overhead lockers, again the mix of the two just looks absolutely beautiful. You've also then got the soft close function as well. You can see with the side panels, it's absolutely beautiful. And again it's got the Barista ultra leather upholstery, which looks absolutely beautiful. Again, just step back, just be able to let you just get a good understanding. So just moving to the front binnacle, your USB and your socket. You've got lights just in the corner, and obviously LED touch lights in the under section. You've got double pleated blinds, your fly blinds, and again the same again just with regards to the panoramic roof. In the ceiling you've then got your speakers, and then just with the cushions themselves, and then just around on the Barista ultra leather. So moving to the kitchen area, so again it's absolutely beautiful. Couple of sockets just on the side there. Underneath your sink you've got a large cutlery drawer, plenty of storage underneath. Underneath the oven, in the oven itself, so it comes with 2 trays, the grill, and then you've got 3 gas ring hob, and then also as well 1 electric. Your microwave with your under fan, and then obviously storage for your drinks and obviously your plates. The one thing the caravan does come with in 2022 as well is the underfloor heating, just make it stand out naturally. And then you've also got your double opening fridge. So again, in terms of storage wise, we can open from the other side as well. The freezer point, and then extra storage again just above, and then also as well below. Right next to the cooker you've then got another side compartment, a couple of extra shelves, Then you've got your main table. And then just to be able to run across, you've then got a section here to be able to unclip, and just to be able to section to be able to put it over. Into the bedroom. So you've then got your cushions in terms of laying at the front bed, and then your Audi control. 2 USB connections, 1 drawer, and again a nice big cupboard underneath. Your transverse island bed with plenty of space to be able to get through. So again, to be able to walk around. A duvet mattress. Your headboard just finished absolutely beautiful again. Under lights. Still again with the overlockers with the soft close again. Next to the bedside again, nice size in terms of storage again for hanging. Electric socket, and again your drawer with under compartments, and then underneath the bed have your carpets as well there. So as we turn around, you've then got your main area. So again, as we're going across, so if you do want to put TV in the bedroom, and on the section here, so you're just on the wall, extra bit of section, the mirror, and the cupboard's just behind the mirror itself. Another little bit of storage just above from the twin axles. Padding to the side of the window again, just filled in very nicely. Just finishes it really nice. And then you'll notice there for the coat hooks. So as we go into the rear bathroom, again there with the radiator, toilet and your cupboards. Again, nice little bit of amount of storage. Great use of space. Just moving in to the shower itself, so double plug, and if you have any questions at all, we're always happy to help. And then with the ring, and then also as well your hook. Just moving back into the bedroom. If you have any questions at all, please contact a member of the sales team on 01476 560 599, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.